We're back!
Hello! It's us!
We're back again for a new, 4-episode part of where we're going to be discussing more design topics for you guys. So in this episode we're just going to be telling you guys what we're at, where we were, what we're doing, projects we've been working on, and why we haven't been
in
here.
touch.
Yeah.
We've been busy.
Very busy. But it's all good.
It's all great, and we're coming to you live from Ackle.
Yeah, it's new scenery, new setup. As every episode actually is. It's
yeah,
a new
we're in James's
yeah.
house today, which is lovely. He just revamped this kitchen, which is gorgeous. So,
which if you haven't seen, there'll be a link down below where you can go watch that transformation video. But yeah, Ruth, how are you?
I'm good. It's been a long summer. I've been busy.
Yeah.
You've been so busy too. He has loads of news, more than me.
Yeah.
But we were collaborating on a job in Ackle, which is why we're here today. We're just finishing a beautiful adventure centre. Phase 2 is starting next month.
Next month?
Yeah, so we're going to be very busy with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, it's good to be busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But like, it looks amazing. We just went and seen it there. It's gorgeous. Like, I mean, them views are just
it's insane.
breathtaking.
And the colours came out really well. That yellow.
Yeah, it pops. Yeah, it's gorgeous. But we've been doing that, and then also I started a new job.
My hero.
I know, and it's going very well. I love it. Like, it's literally like perfect for me. Like, I mean, it's good, but like also it keeps me like really busy. Like, it's like 8-hour days.
He's getting paid.
Plus
that's the best part.
Yeah,
He's getting paid to do what he loves.
Which means, I have money that I can invest more into YouTube now, which is better than ever.
Better than ever, yeah. Don't forget to tell everyone about your designing for Christmas decor.
Oh yes,
you can hire James specifically to do your Christmas decorating. He's going to do mine this year. So that's a really good idea.
Yeah, no, it's really well, because also in the job I'm working at now, we're currently working on Christmas stuff. So, I mean, I'm already in that Christmas season.
Oh, you're so surprised he's not wearing a Santa hat.
Yeah.
Next one, next episode.
Like.
we'll do the Christmas one on the next one. So, I was in Connemara all summer at a secret location. I did a beautiful holiday home. Oh my God, the views.
Yeah. Connemara is beautiful, guys. If you've ever
been, you'll know, but if you haven't, go.
Yeah, it's like just outside Galway. It's gorgeous.
Clifton, the Connemara area, Roundstone, it's gorgeous. So that's what I was doing, and I worked a little bit in an art gallery in Clifton during the summer, which was very exciting.
Yeah.
I loved it.
Yeah. Completely
Completely out of my comfort zone, but you know what?
But that's what life is, isn't it?
Look,
it's all
take everything. Yeah. So, and what were you up to?
Well, I done my broom. I finished my bedroom. That took the whole summer.
Which looks amazing. I've just gotten to see it live. Gorgeous.
VIP.
Love that light.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's gorgeous. But the worst thing is, I'm already thinking now, what am I going to do next?
Well, you could change the colour.
Yeah, it's like, what pink colours can I try?
No, we'll do that after this.
Yeah.
So, what we were going to talk about.
We were actually discussing the topics we're going to be talking about in the next couple of episodes, because we're going to do like maybe 4 to bring us to the end of this year, and then next year we'll kick up again, but we might do something a bit extra next year for the design.
And also, if there's something you specifically want to know about or ask us about, and if we don't know it, we'll find out for you. If you're doing a job at home and you want a bit of advice, just put it in the comments below, and we'll get to you as soon as we can.
Because we love reaching out and like talking to you guys, and it's better if you tell us what you want to know instead of us just here, yapping about stuff you might even, well, you more than likely would care about.
You can hear Bella in the background. She wants to get in on this. So fun.
She likes attention.
Yeah. I wonder where she gets it from. So, same.
What? But yeah, it's good. I'll be in Galway like a lot over the next few weekends, so we're both going to be busy.
Yeah, we are. I'm going to be busy because I'm trying to find more work to pay for my kids going to college.
Yeah.
2 of them in college, it's expensive.
It's exciting times.
It is, it is.
What's the saying? When it rains, it pours.
I know, but it's good. It's good.
Yeah, it's a good complaint to be busy. Like, I mean, we were as if there was nothing on and you had nothing to be doing, and that would be depressing. But yeah, everything's going really well. We're both in really good spots at the minute.
Yeah.
We have a lot of upcoming projects that we're having the talks. And
we're working together a lot more now, I think.
Yeah,
I think we'd like to stay working together.
Yeah.
We didn't get sick of each other yet,
No. I don't think we ever will, to be honest, but
we keep forgetting to turn on the camera, we talk so much.
Yeah. Yeah, we came here just to film this, and it took us about 20 minutes before we actually sat down and filmed it.
I know.
But, you know, but that's fun. Yeah. Let us know down in the comments what you guys have been up to since we've seen you last.
And stuff we've spotted on the way. I was going to say that to James. I've been in a Home Sense in Dublin a fair bit, and there's another beautiful shop we have to go to in Skerries.
What's that?
Oh, it's before we go out to Dublin Airport.
Yes.
I have to go there with you. We'll film that when we go.
Vlog.
Yeah, we're going to do a couple of vlogs. I have to get all the terminology right because that's his department, my cameraman. But we'll go up to Dublin, we'll take a couple of trips and just not buy anything specifically, but just sourcing stuff and looking at the lovely places and show you guys as well. It's just nice to keep in touch with what's in the stores right now. I know in McDermott's and Castlebar, it's gorgeous. I know Easy Living have beautiful stuff coming in and affordable. Yeah. And don't forget about places like, I saw something the other day and I went, oh my God, I got such a surprise. Where was I? Oh, it'll come to me. I went, oh my God, I didn't expect to see something like, Rabbit's Furniture in Castlebar.
Oh, yes.
They have some really nice lovely things too. Lovely rugs.
From Rabbit's Furniture.
And they're so heavy, they're gorgeous.
Such good quality. And also my desk for my room, Rabbit's Furniture,
Was that expensive?
It was $250. But like is it acai wood, is it? Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to pronounce that word, but acai wood.
I'm just agreeing with it.
Yeah. It's gorgeous, like very industrial, but like also has that mid-century kind of look that I like at the minute.
It's lovely. Yeah. I'm gone mad for the cowhides, the skins. I love them. I think that's what you should have there instead of I sort of tell them what to do. But that's what we're up to. Nothing crazy. I haven't done anything at home since you've been there. My house is falling apart. Always the way.
But just expect to see a lot more of Ruth on this channel because, you know, we have...
God help you.
Everyone loves you, like, because there was a comment actually that stood out to me a lot was, which one was one we filmed in Dublin. It was about saying that we work really well together and like we have so much wisdom between the two of us.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
It was really nice to hear. Because like, it was like, okay, yeah, we're doing
I think James is just keeping me young. I'm doing it for my ego, nothing else. I'll tell you, nothing else. I kid you not. No, so we've definitely got a couple of trips up to Dublin in the next while. I'd like to try and get up there once a month, even just to do a vlog. So if you're interested, well, I know you are. We'll do that. We'll go to Home Sense, we'll go to IKEA just to see what's in.
I'd love to go to one of the design trade fairs.
Oh, well, we have to do that. We have to do that as well. But we'll tell you when that is. The next big one is Paris in January, so that's what I'm aiming for.
Yeah, that could be exciting.
Yeah.
Either we won't mind do both of them. Or all of them, we might do, we might do like maybe one or two, like because also it costs a lot of money to go to these places.
And we're funding ourselves, so it's all down to budget. So if you guys hire us, then we can go and give you all our wisdom.
Yeah.
So no problem.
Yeah.
So that's
no pressure. I have my Kickstarter's link down below if you want to go.
I'm working on a small, well not a small project, but I'm doing a small amount of work for a big project. So I'm only been hired kind of on an advisory, like it's not a huge fee for me, but it's just such a gorgeous house. I was telling you about it.
Yeah.
A contemporary house in Westport. It's beautiful and such a gorgeous couple. They've 2 kids and oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. I am doing a job actually on my bathroom.
Oh yes,
my ensuite.
You know what the funny thing is about this is actually Ruth mentioned this like about 5 months ago.
I'm only getting around to it now.
5 months ago, yeah.
Well, no, my ensuite, not the main bathroom. That's next.
Okay.
That's 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
I have too many bathrooms, but I'm taking out. I haven't even told my husband. I'm taking out. I rushed. It's funny, guys. We make mistakes too. I make them all the time, but I was so excited about doing the job on my house. I couldn't wait for the sinks that I wanted for my bathroom, and I wanted almost like your kitchen, you know, beautiful square sink with the lovely painted doors. Couldn't wait, got 2 sinks and matching cupboards with mirrors with, oh I hate them so much, they've lights in them. I hate them. I must show them to you. So I was down in Tile Warehouse in Westport yesterday and fell in love with these kind of antique looking beveled mirrors. They look like they're gold and silver. And I ordered the 2 sinks with the cupboards in they're called linen. The colour's called linen. It's so gorgeous. My bathroom has a mosaic tile. It's a marble mosaic in creams and whites. So the linen pale kind of a champagne colour cupboard will look lovely. So I'll get James to show you that when it's done.
Guys,
So-
you're being treated this year, like, you're really absolutely treated.
I'm just doing jobs in my own house. Like my house is 21 years old this year, or 22, and I'm just doing little jobs bit by bit. I can't afford to do, it's too much, but bit by bit I'll get there in the end.
Bathrooms are expensive, kitchens are expensive.
Yeah, so
Anything's expensive, like, you know, if you're doing it like a proper job on it, but like, you don't need to do like, you know, a full gut remodel, like, you can just be adding a couple of
bit
cushions
by
to
bit,
like, something,
yeah,
you know.
and just to upgrade things. And paint, as I always say,
Paint.
never underestimate the power of paint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's it from us, guys. That's our update of what's been going on, what we've planned to be upcoming in the next few months.
Yeah.
I do have other few projects I'd love to do with Ruth, but like, you know, we're not there yet.
We're getting there. We'll keep you posted.
Yeah.
Can't give it all to you the first day.
Yeah. Well,
and hopefully I'll have had a haircut by the time you see me next.
I love your hair. Like,
no,
that is really nice.
We're not talking about my hair. Anyway, see you next time. Please leave your comments below and ask questions and get in touch. We love to talk to you.
Yeah, I'll have Ruth's Instagram handle across the screen somewhere if you want to go check her out on Instagram.
Yeah.
Beautiful, like such a talented designer. Like, you don't even know, like, you don't even realize.
Thank you.
It's the truth. But before you go, also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, that little notification bell just to notify you when I upload. You know, and also so you're notified when the next episode of this design talk comes out, you know. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.